Hello, all. I am Subramania KS, and I am doing project on file structure lab with mini project 18 CSL 67, and the project title is Hospital Record Management System using Primary Indexing. Uh, we are both Subramania KS and Puneet KS done this project, and this project mainly focus on the concept of primary indexing, and the project execution is done by Puneet KS.
Yeah, now I'm going to execute the program. Here I'm going to execute now. So this is the main menu. Here we have provided four options like admin, doctor, nurse, receptionist, and zero for exit. Now I'm going to enter the choice as one as admin. So it's asking for login username. I'm going to enter username as admin and password as JNMCE. So this is the menu of the admin. Here we provided four choices like doctors, nurse, receptionist, and ward, and zero for the back to the main menu. Now I'm going to enter the choice as one as doctor. So here it is asking for the four choices: add doctors, display doctor details, remove doctor, and view the index list of those doctors. And I'm entering choice as one. ID for the doctor will be not 6. Enter the name is Dinesh. Age will be some 45. Address is Mysore. So doctor added successfully. It is showing as a doctor added successfully. So now I'm going to enter the choices to that is display doctor records. So here is the Dinesh's record, and I have already entered the some of the details. So it is displaying all the details. And then I'm going to enter the choices for that is the index list of those doctors. So here is the all the doctors details. Index for the those ID. Here ID is the primary key. So those the index list will be index number will be created for those ID. Now I'm going to enter the choice 3, that is remove doctor record. Doctor ID will be that's let's take 205. So the record has been deleted. The record is deleted is 205. That is this will be deleted. Now if we see the index list of the doctor, so 205 will be removed here. So next I will go back entering 0. Nurse. Here same as the doctor. Here it is 4 option is given, that is add nurse, display nurse, and remove and view index list of the nurse. Then I'm going to add the nurse here. The ID will be 605. Name will be Megha. Age will be 35. Address is Hassan. So nurse added successfully. So I'm going to enter the charge 2, that is display nurse records. So here is the details of the 605 details. And then I will enter the choices for that is a view index list. So here is the index is 35 for the ID 605. So I'm gonna enter choices 3 now, and enter nurse ID will be 605. So the nurse ID 605 will be removed. And once again I will go to the index list. So here the 605 ID will be removed. And now I'm going back to main menu. Here, receptionist. I will go for the receptionist. Three. Same as the previous. The four options will be provided. Add the receptionist, display receptionist, and remove and view index list. I'm gonna add receptionist now. ID will be 705. Enter the name Satish. I think age will be 35. Address Shimoga. So receptionist added successfully. Now I'm gonna display the details. So here is the Satish details. Then I'm going to enter the choice as 4. The index is 39 for the ID 705. Remove the details of the record. The choice as 3. Enter the receptionist ID. ID will be 705. So here the 705 ID will be removed. If you check the index list, here in the index list, the ID will be removed. That means the record will be removed. Now I'm going back to the main menu. So I'm going for now word. I'm entering the choices 4. So on entering choices 1, that is add word. The word number will be 805. Word name. Let's take general word. Total number of the beds present. Let's 20. So word added successfully. Display. I'm going to enter the choices 2. Display word records. So here is the now added record. And view index list, that is choice 4. So index is 40 for the ID 805. I'm gonna remove the word. That is word number will be 805. So 805, the word will be removed. Record has been deleted. So now I'm printing the index list. So it is 805. Our record will be removed here. Now I'm going to the main menu. So this all is completed for admin section. Now I'm going to the main menu of the project. So here, now I'm going for the charge 4 for receptionist. So here receptionist will provided add patients, remove patient, and patients index list. Now I'm gonna add the patient now. So choice will be 1. Enter the patient ID. That is 1110. Patient name. That is Satish. Age. Patient. It is asking for patient problem. So I just common code. So patient registered successfully. Here I'm gonna enter again my receptionist. So I'm gonna enter the choice as 3. It is patient index list. That is we now added the patient ID as 110. So index for that is 114. Now I'm gonna enter the choice as 2. This doctor. So doctor is provided for displaying the patient record and search patient record. So doctor can view the details of the patients. So I'm gonna display now the patient record too. So here is the display. The patient record is displayed here. So now I'm gonna enter the choice as 2. The search record. I'm gonna search with the patient ID 110. So here all the details of the Satish is been displayed here. And same as the doctor, I'm gonna enter the choice as 3 for nurse. So same as the previous as doctors, the nurse can view the records of the patients. So display records. So all records have been displayed. Same as same as the search record. So I am entered the patient record as 105, patient ID as 105. So it is saying that record not found. It is record not present in the file. I'm gonna enter the choice as 4. For that, I'm gonna enter the choice as 2. That is remove patients. Patient ID is 1110. So here the patient record has been deleted. So that's why it is adding a star mark for that ID. So now I'm gonna exit the main that project and entering the 0. So project is exit.
Hello, I am explaining the coding part. First, we have seen the main part in which we have first used the function create index to create the index of the list, and we use some variables for and objects from patients, doctors, nurse, and reception wards. Um, then we for while loop, since we have to iterate uh, through menu can be displayed many times, and we use a switch case where we can enter the username and password for admin section only for security purpose. um, and this is part is the admin section part, where doctor, nurse, receptionist, ward is the options. Then inside the admin part, we for admins insertion display the doctors. Then we can remove doctor function, and we included the index creation functions, and go to admin part so that uh, we can go to the main menu. Then next we will case 2. Case 2 is the nurse part. We have used in nurse part we have to add nurse, display the nurse, and remove the nurse. For that we inherited the nurse insertion function, and nurse display the record function, and nurse remove the function. When we give the option 4, we can create an index, so that we can keep tracking of them. Then the case 3 for the admin section is the recep, uh, receptionist. In a receptionist, we have add receptionist by using insert function, and display the receptionist by display function, remove the receptionist by using the remove function, and view the index list by using the index create functions. For word, we have same as the nurse and the receptionist, we have add word, display word, remove word, and view index function. So add word is using by insert of function, then display, etc. These are the after these are from admin section. Next, go to the doctor section. When we give the option 2, the doctor section is opened. In doctor section, we included the search patient and display patient record. Since the doctors mainly focus on the patients only, so we used search patient and the display patient functions. So next, when we give the options 3, the nurse section is opened. In nurse also, we use only the search and display the patient functions. So that they can see the records, and tell to doctors about further process. Then when we give the choice 4, we get the receptionist section. In receptionist, we receptionist can add the patients, remove the patients, and see the patients indexes. So we use insert of, and remove of, and insert creation of functions. So case 0 is the end of the function, so that we can exit the program. Default case, it will say the message invalid choice. We can go to the tables.
So now I'm going to explain the class doctor. What are the functions are done by the class doctor. So here is the sum of the header files coming from the doctor class. Here the string, the variable for buffer, doctor name, doctor address, doctor ID, and doctor age will be declared. So the functions are the void create index string extract ID, void sort index, insert, void display doctor, void print, void search, and search index remove. And this is for the printing the index of the doctors. Now I'm coming for the create index function. So here is the create index function. The file object will be created for the f stream. So the doctor.txt file will be opened in a input mode. While at the end of the file, for reaching the end of the file, we can get the each record from the file. So for it is checking for the star mark for if the record has been deleted or not. So here is the DID is assigned to the extract ID function. So extract ID function, here it is the extract ID function. So first the ID will be the buffer will be erased. So it is while the buffer of I is equal to the delimiter is the pipeline, the DID will be added with the DID plus and the buffer. Then it will return to here. So then the file will be closed, and then it is the sort index function. Then here is the insert function of a doctor. So doctor details are inserted from here. So the FP is the F stream object. Uh, we are taking the DID that is a doctor ID and doctor name, age, and address, and it is stored in the buffer with the delimiter. So we will open the doctor.txt file in a output mode and append mode. So we can add the details to the file. So we will be added to the FP of buffer. So the contents present in the buffer will be added to the file FP. So it is printing that the doctor added successfully. Here we can use the sort index that is sorting function for the sorting the whole index of the doctor. So next the part will be continued by the Subramanya.
Hello all. This is the patient table, and we use create index of method to create the index. We extract from patient txt input, um, and this is the patient extract PID, so that the patient ID can be extracted. Then this is the insert function, where we can insert the patient ID, patient name, patient age, patient problem. Then patient address can be inserted and put into the patient txt file. Then this is a sort index function. We can sort the indexes um, from ascending order. Then is the search index, where we can search the patient record. If not found, then record not found is printed. Then this is a search index. By using the index, we can search the record. This is the remove function, where we can remove the patient ID as same as the doctor. Then this is the display function, where we can display by using cat function. This is the frame function to print the patient record, individual patient record. Thank you.